Hello guys, HarmonyOS is coming and Huawei is working too fast to bring this operating system to the consumers. As we are moving forward, more and more exciting news appearing regarding the HarmonyOS. As previously, we brought you the ringtone of HarmonyOS, and now you can download all of the sounds from the HarmonyOS. These sound includes notification, system, food animation, ringtones, and more. You can download all of these sounds from the link given in the description.
That's it for now. Press the like button if you liked the video, comment below, or press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. As always, don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.